today I'll show you how to prepare a natural meat tenderizer using raw papaya. Now these tenderizers are to be used only with mutton. They should not be used with chicken. First of all, you cut the tail and head part of the papaya. So remember that the papaya needs to be raw. It should not be ripened. Then you cut from the middle. If there are any seeds in the papaya, you need to remove them. And also remember that the skin should not be removed because the tenderizing enzyme which is present is existent in the skin. Cut it into small pieces. A word of caution, meat tenderizers should not be used by pregnant women or women who want to expect. Take these raw papaya pieces in a mixer jar. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Use your superpower to grind this. You can store this in a refrigerator for about 1 month, and if you store it in a freezer then you can store it for about 1 year. Proper way of utilizing the meat tenderizer is you first mix the meat tenderizer to the mutton and keep it for about 30 minutes or maximum of 2 hours. You wash the mutton and then you can add all the spices and keep it for marination overnight. I'm going to add this to an ice tray so that whenever required I'll be using only one piece of the meat tenderizer, and it is good for about half kg of mutton. And again, word of caution, the pregnant women should never use meat tenderizer, and also the women who want to expect, please be careful. So this is how you prepare natural meat tenderizer. I will keep it in a freezer. I can use it for about 1 year. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on the videos that I make. Take care. Bye bye.